Hey everyone, welcome back to AppInsight AI. If you're new here, this is the place where we dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring the tools and technologies that are transforming how we live, work, and communicate. Today, we're tackling a question that's been on many minds: which AI translator reigns supreme, Google Translate or DeepL? In this video, we'll pit these two heavyweights against each other in a detailed comparison. We'll explore their strengths, weaknesses, and most importantly, how they perform in real-world scenarios. Whether you're a traveler, a student, a professional, or just someone who needs accurate translations, this video is for you. Before we dive into the head-to-head comparison, let's take a moment to appreciate how far translation tools have come. Not too long ago, translating languages involved flipping through dictionaries or relying on human translators. Fast forward to today, and we have AI-powered tools that can translate entire paragraphs in seconds. Google Translate, for example, has been around since 2006. Over the years, it's evolved from a basic translation service into a comprehensive tool that supports over 100 languages. On the other hand, DeepL, launched in 2017, is a relatively new player. But don't let its age fool you. It's gained a reputation for delivering translations that feel more natural and human-like. So how do these tools work? Both use something called neural machine translation. Without getting too technical, this means that instead of translating word by word, the AI looks at the entire sentence to understand the context. But as we'll see, not all neural networks are created equal. Let's start with Google Translate. Chances are, you've used it at some point, whether you're traveling, learning a new language, or just curious about how to say something in another language. Google Translate is incredibly versatile. You can type in text, use your camera to translate signs or menus, or even speak into your phone and have it translated in real time. It's this convenience that makes Google Translate so popular. But, as we know, popularity doesn't always equal perfection. One of the biggest challenges with Google Translate is that while it's great for basic phrases and words, it can struggle with context, especially when it comes to idiomatic expressions or nuanced language. For example, a phrase like break a leg might be translated literally, which could confuse someone unfamiliar with the idiom. And this is where Google Translate sometimes falls short. But it's constantly improving, and for everyday use, it's hard to beat its accessibility and range of languages. Now let's talk about DeepL. While it's not as well known as Google Translate, those who use it often swear by it. What sets DeepL apart? Well, it's all about quality over quantity. DeepL supports fewer languages, around 30 at the moment, but what it lacks in numbers, it makes up for in accuracy. When it comes to European languages like German, French, and Spanish, DeepL often produces translations that sound more natural, almost as if a native speaker had written them. But DeepL isn't just for European languages, it's also making strides in other languages, and it offers a premium version that provides even more features, like translating entire documents while maintaining formatting, a huge plus for professionals. And let's not forget, DeepL's focus on quality extends to its privacy policies. Unlike some other tools, DeepL doesn't store your translations, which is a big deal if you're dealing with sensitive information. Alright, now let's put these two tools to the test. We've selected a variety of phrases, some simple, some more complex, to see how Google Translate and DeepL handle them. First, a basic sentence: I need to book a flight to Tokyo. Both tools nailed it, no surprises here. But when we switch to something more challenging, like the ball is in your court, Google Translate offers a literal translation, while DeepL gives us a more contextually accurate version. DeepL's ability to understand context really shines through here. This is especially important when you're dealing with more complex language, whether in professional communication or creative writing. For another example, take the phrase, "She spilled the beans at the party." Google Translate goes literal again, while DeepL correctly understands that this is an idiom meaning to reveal a secret. It's this kind of nuance that makes DeepL the go-to for those who need a higher level of accuracy in their translations. Now, let's see how these tools perform in real-world situations. Imagine you're in a cafe, trying to order something, but you don't speak the language. Google Translate's voice feature is super handy here. Just speak into your phone, and it'll translate your words into the local language. It's not perfect, but for quick interactions, it gets the job done. DeepL, on the other hand, shines in more formal or professional settings. Its translations tend to be smoother and more polished, which is crucial when you're trying to make a good impression. So whether you're grabbing a coffee or sealing a business deal, Each tool has its strengths. The key is knowing which one to use for which situation. Now, let's dive into the features of both tools. Google Translate is packed with extras: voice translation, camera translation, even offline mode for when you don't have an internet connection. It's the Swiss Army knife of translators. The camera feature, for example, is perfect for translating signs, menus, or any printed text instantly. And the conversation mode allows you to have a back-and-forth dialogue in different languages, a lifesaver when traveling. DeepL, on the other hand, focuses on fewer features but executes them exceptionally well. Its document translation is top-notch, and for those who need professional-level translations, the premium features are worth considering. In short, if you need versatility, Google Translate is your best bet. But if you're after precision and quality, especially in written translations, DeepL might just be the better option. So, after all that, which tool should you choose? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a general-purpose translator that can handle a wide range of tasks, Google Translate is hard to beat. Its sheer convenience and variety of features make it a go-to for many. But if accuracy is your top priority, especially for written content or languages where nuance matters, DeepL is the clear winner. It's the tool you want when translation quality is non-negotiable. In the end, both tools have their place, and the good news is, you don't have to choose just one. You can use them together, leveraging their strengths depending on the situation. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into AI translation tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to AppInsight AI for more content like this. And let us know in the comments, are you Team Google Translate or Team DeepL? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more videos exploring the world of AI. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.